Hey everyone, this is Brianna. I'm back with another nail video. It's been a long time since I uploaded one, but we are going to do it today. And the nail design that I'll be doing today is this. So I already cut, I already filed, and I already shaped the nails before recording. And now all we're going to do is dehydrate the nails and prime, and then get started. I sprayed my nails. I'm starting off with this hand first. There's no label on here, but this is the Valentino dehydrator, and this is the Valentino Super Bond. This is the Bad and Bougie Valentino acrylic system. I got the kit, and there's also their monomer. If my nails end up being outside of the frame, I apologize, but it's hard. It's hard to keep it in frame. And I'm gonna do it. And I'm doing it on myself. Alright. I'm back, finished this hand. Now we're gonna move on to this hand. We're done with both sides. We're going to start filing. Take your file and start filing. Push this part back and start filing.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true, nobody else makes me, nobody else had a clue.
Back, I buffed it, filed it, and I did all that off camera. Now what we're going to do is take some dehydrator again to take all the dust off. Use a lint-free wipe to make sure everything is securely off. Wipe above the nail and at the bottom of the nail. You don't want anything to stick on the nail, any dust, any hairs, any other little fibers. And we're gonna do the same on this hand. I'm gonna spray it on the thumb. I'm sorry, my light is about to die, so I'm gonna have to use my other light. So after you do that, you're gonna take this. I got this off of Amazon. White gel polish. And we're gonna use this, which I also got off of Amazon. And we also do stuff off of Amazon, white gel polish. So we're gonna outline it with this. Wet up my brush, not wet it up, but you know, get it nice and good, the color on, and then now we're going to paint.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Back, this is the one I like better. I also got this off of Amazon as well. So this is one I'll be using.
Why you love me, yeah. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're riding around the love, riding around the trust, riding around the dick. Riding around the slap me up, like I'm throwing a fit. Riding around the world, let me riding around talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I let you do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. You. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it.
I already started, but we'll be lining it with let me put this out. We'll be lining it with this pink reflective gel polish.
Get you.
Don't mess around because she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door? Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God.
So I'm gonna use a dollop of it. Can y'all see? I won't use too much. They said a little goes a long way. these are big stones, so we're gonna use this. Yup, correct. Okay, I'm gonna use a little nail glue dryer.
Tell me what you teaching me. Gotta be
Freeze it in place.
something different.
Okay, that's right, period. And now we're gonna do the same on this hand.
In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let no, I don't know.
They say a little goes a long way, but I don't know, because I don't have good experience with
You got it bad, you got it bad for me.
any type of glue. So
I don't feel glad that I can have
this,
nobody does me.
so we're holding it down, making sure it's straight. Right. I'm gonna spray it some more. To hold it in place. And now the next thing we will do is top coat. And the top coat that I'll be using is the Koopa Jeffinity. Got this also on Amazon. So the next clip you will see will be the fullish finished product, and I'll see you then.
Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, baby.